Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks Online for beginners. Start with the basics of setting up your QuickBooks Online account. This involves choosing the right subscription plan for your business needs, then connecting your bank and credit card accounts. This crucial step automates transaction imports, saving you valuable time. Finally, customize your company settings and chart of accounts to reflect your specific business structure. Next, let's dive into managing your money. You'll learn how to create and send professional invoices to your customers, then record their payments. It's also essential to categorize all your business expenses correctly. This ensures accurate financial reporting and helps you understand where your money is going. Don't forget to regularly reconcile your bank statements to keep everything in sync. Understanding your business's financial health is key. QuickBooks Online makes it easy to generate essential reports. You can quickly pull up a profit and loss statement to see your income versus expenses, and a balance sheet provides a snapshot of your assets, liabilities, and equity. Plus, you can create custom reports to gain deeper insights tailored to your specific questions. Beyond the basics, QuickBooks Online offers powerful advanced features. If you have employees, you can manage payroll directly within the system. For product-based businesses, inventory tracking helps you monitor stock levels and costs. Also, explore the vast marketplace of third-party app integrations to extend QuickBooks functionality and streamline even more of your business operations.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.